So on this problem, they give us a function f of x, which is equal to -3 sine of x plus 2. The distance between the minimum and maximum values is 6. Which statement must be true about this function? The main statement is the amplitude is 3. And I know this because of this. And the minimum and maximum values, the distance between them is 6. So if I graph this thing, what they're saying is the function, if I were to graph this, kind of looks like this. Well, let me fix this real quick. So it looks like that, and that pattern continues forever and ever. So the distance here between those is 6. So that means that we have a midline. And so the amplitude is from the midline to the maximum and the midline to the minimum. Well, that would have to be 3, right? And 3, because 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now, one way I could verify that and just double check that real quick is just to actually graph it. So if I open up my graphing calculator and I go to y equals, I'm just going to enter it in. So I'm going to say -3 sine of x, close the parentheses, plus 2. I'm going to go to zoom, and there's a z trig. Zooms right in on the trig function. Actually, I'm going to do a zoom standard. I gotta go to radian mode though, so you can see it better. All right, radian. I forgot about the +2 shifting. So my graph is off just a little bit because you shifted up 2. But this is the actual graph, right? And so the midline of this would be +2. So just so you guys can see the midline, if I were to graph this, this is what the midline looks like. Oops. I really got to check out my calculator before I do stuff. Trying to get it there. All right. Okay. So let's do this. There we go. So let's take a screenshot of that. And this is actually a better picture. So let me just get rid of this stuff. And we'll just use this picture instead because it's accurate to the graph. but it's the same concept. So this midline, the distance from here to here is 3, and the distance from here to here is 3. So this is 3, 3, and 3, and so on. So the 3 plus 3 equals 6. There you go.